Hi, my name is Varun Sood.
This is Divya Agarwal
And you are watching Desi Feed.
कट गया क्या करेंगे I mean obviously that was very much obvious he's a roadie he knows he's been watching it since years he knows the plan he knows how to deal with such situations मेरे लिए तो वहाँ खड़े रहना was a task it was not about breaking the plank it was about standing at such a great height 35 feet it was 30 for him because he's quite tall so yeah I somehow managed to stand there
इस बार ये यूनिकनेस है कि पहले होते थे 4 गैंग लीडर, इस बार है 5 गैंग लीडर. That means कि the amount of roadies will be more, competition will be more, and it's happening.
Opportunities also more for the
Yeah,
contestants.
it's happening down south. So the weather will take a toll on a lot of people क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी में task perform करना is not easy. So it'll be fun overall and intense and tougher than any other season.
Right. ये मैडम एक
ये था
plan
pre-Valentine.
This was pre-Valentine.
Valentine's Day के टाइम पे 35 से 100 feet होने वाला है. और कुछ तो अलग करूँगा. Like I won't go on a monotonous dinner date. I will make sure कि something amazing happens on that day.
It's gonna be crazy. I don't know. I am prepared for it also, but then I'm also scared. The same way like how I was scared for this one. But yeah, finally I did it. Of course, like I think the best part about our relationship is हमारे अंदर दिन में 500 इमोशंस रन करते रहते हैं राइट फ्रॉम बीइंग कॉम्पिटिटिव टू बीइंग लवी to being I don't know I mean it's a crazy up and down and I think journey is all about that it's all about experience and हमें भी अच्छा लगता है यार कुछ टाइम के लिए हम भूल जाएं एक दूसरे को कि you know we are in love with each other or something you know that adventure and that travel spree and that I sometimes you know think that we are going back as friends and doing things so I think that's the flavor of the relationship which keeps us on all the time
I think being competitive will be a lot of fun with Divya because I know कि ये competition में एक अलग level पे जाती है और मैं भी. So the entire thing will be fun and can't wait to perform the tasks with her. The important thing is that I can't wait for Divya to experience the entire journey.
Exactly. I think मेरे लिए हर task attempt करना would be an opportunity I would say because ऐसा शायद MTV की history में पहली बार हुआ है that a non-roadie is going on a journey and performing all the tasks, being the face of other shows like Splitsvilla or Ace of Space. And roadie is a complete different tag. And I think that's an honorable tag. And if I'm performing tasks in that show, I think I'm gonna.
I think by the end of the journey, we can call Divya a roadie.
Please do that because I'm tired of listening to this. You're not a roadie. You won't know the feel. I'm like, sorry.
और मैं ही बोलता हूँ तो I think by the end, if you do well.
Hey, एक second. There's no compulsion that if you do well only then you've been called roadies.
See, doing well is not winning.
No, everybody who's on the journey does the task is a roadie.
Yeah,
That's
so you have
it.
to do the task.
I'll do
not
it.
back out like how you were about to.
I was about to यार डर लगता है यार obviously 35 freaking feet high नीचे रोड दिख रहा है मुझे गाड़ियाँ जा रही है full speed में you know I have vertigo issue.
Yeah.
I somehow manage.
See, that's a roadie
I'll do
quality.
it. I'll do
Overcoming
it.
your fears.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah.
I said I'll do it.
मैंने इसको ये टिप दिया कि it's important to breathe in life ताकि आप जी सको. मैंने बोला सांस लो, आराम से लो. Because she wasn't breathing. एक point में she was just panicking. I was like breathe, nothing will happen. You're on harness. गिरोगे तो maximum लटकोगे, गिरोगे नहीं नीचे.
नहीं मैक्सिमम कुछ नहीं नीचे गिर जाओगे कुछ नहीं होगा I'm like are you serious Varun you want to kill me like what
Yeah, I didn't give her a tip to win the task, but I gave her a tip to stand over there
I think that was needed for
so that I can win the task.
oh, win always it's actually I wouldn't call that मेरी खुद की web series because it's a cameo it's a very small appearance in it and वो appearance भी एक character है it's not a character it's me as Divya Agarwal I'll be there in the show so I think my start is yet to happen and I'm in talking terms with Alt Balaji and the start will be massive and amazing and I'm actually waiting for it
जैसे ने कहा कि इनकी वेब सीरीज आ रही है मेरी भी वेब सीरीज आने वाली है in a few months so around I think April May we'll start shooting for it
हमारा दोनों का वेब सीरीज का काम साथ में चालू हो रहा है एंड या उधर भी कंपटीशन यही रहेगा किसकी वेब सीरीज बेटर है किसका कैरेक्टर ज़्यादा बेटर है एंड आई थिंक दैट विल कीप अस गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन फॉर लाइफ
Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Don't keep a specific day for love. Every day is a Valentine's Day. on Valentine's Day don't do anything monotonous. कुछ अलग करो
Yeah.
ताकि वो memory याद रहे.
रोडी से मत सीखो ये क्वालिटी, अलग करने की क्वालिटी आप खुद सोचिए.
मेरा अलग था कि दिव्या को 35 फीट पे लटका के टास्क करवा दो. आपका अलग आप पे डिपेंड करता है.
Please be a little soft for your girls because he thinks I'm a superwoman. I can literally do anything and जैसे ही बुलाया था मुझे, trust me baby, come up, it's okay. Trust issues होते हैं when you're 35 feet high. ये trust issues होते हैं, तो please Valentine's safe मनाइए. Please don't try this at home. Safe.
Not this, but like
Not
something
this.
adventurous.
Something adventurous. Maybe go for a trek or go for surfing, trek, something like that. Something cool, something which you've never tried together. It'll be amazing.